deliver your results and you develop your people. And I take this very serious.
Once we hire you, you are in the middle. And if you are in the middle, we need to make sure that you learn as fast as possible.
The Global Leadership Team of Finance launched the Finance Academy as the piece to develop people within finance.
In other companies, they are called CFOs. We call them Finance Business Partners because we want them to partner with the business. What we do in the Finance Academy is definitely special. Our flagship program within the Finance Academy is the FVP Journey, a program that accompanies an FVP from the very first day in position. Why we are here today is the FVP workshop. Here we bring all new FVPs together. They have the opportunity to collaborate, network, but also to benchmark themselves, but also, of course, to support each other.
I know a few companies that do similar events, but also with people who are less operational. So I felt this is a great opportunity to talk about the real and operational business aspects, which I don't see that much happening at other companies.
Obviously, there are a lot of very senior people have invested a lot of time into our FBP journey here, to our improvement, to our learning. It's great to see that the values are actually in place here, and Hilti really values our development going forward.
Continuous learning is becoming basically essential. You cannot be performant without doing that every day.
I'm very proud to be here, and I'm learning a lot. I'm having a lot of fun in the journey.
It includes a lot of different activities. You do not have time to get bored. I had a feeling of taking something with me in order to improve personally, as also for the organization where I work in.
The atmosphere here is fantastic. It's really nice to see the energy. It's all here, and couldn't be more grateful to be a part of it.
The FVP journey for me is a great possibility to learn and educate myself.
FVP journey for me is a great enriching, learning and experience sharing opportunity.
It's an opportunity to realize our goals and our problems are the same, and we are working on it together.
It's a key to success in your role. It gives you different insights, you exchange, you build a very strong network.
The possibility that I have to sanity check my perspectives with my peers. Energizing, and I'm loving it.